Bagpipe Theory Lessons by the wee Pied Piper, Canntaireachd. Canntaireachd is the Gaelic name for the chanting of Highland bagpipe music, and it is the vocal system used by ancient pipers to instruct their pupils in the art of pibroch. The general use of the staff notation in bagpipe music began around the 1800s, so that the earliest times pipers were taught to memorise their music by singing one of the 3 or 4 Canntaireachd systems used by the various colleges of piping. With the advent of staff notation, this system became much neglected, but recently there has been a return to it, and its use together with the staff notation has been found to be highly successful. The most extensive and commonly used system today is the Campbell of Nether Lorne Canntaireachd. Here we can see the Great Highland Bagpipe scale ranging from low G through to high A. And the Canntaireachd for these notes are as follows. For low G we say M, for low A we say N, for B we say O, for C we say O, for D we can say A, Da or Ba, for E we say A, for F we say Te or Ve, for high G we say V, and for high A we say E. Moving on to the scale, but with a G grace note in front of the note. As you can see on the scale, we have no Canntaireachd for high G, as we cannot play a G grace note on the high G. So starting from low A, the Canntaireachd for this is Him. On low A is Hin. On B we have Hyo. On C we have Ho. D is Ha. E is Che. F is He. High G we have nothing, and high A is He. So now that we've covered the G grace note scale, let's move on to the D grace note scale. And as you can see, after D through to high A, there is no Canntaireachd, as we cannot play a D grace note on these notes. So starting on the low G, the Canntaireachd is Dam. On low A, it's Dan. On B, it's To. And on C, it's Do. And now we've covered the G and the D grace notes on the scale, let's go to the E grace notes. So again, as before, we cannot play an E grace note on E through to high A. So starting on the low G, the Canntaireachd for this is M. On the low A is N. On B it's Yo. On the C it's Yo. And on the D it's Ya. So Canntaireachd, in summary, is the vocal system of pibroch and can be as useful as an aid in your approach to reading and writing music. It can also help you memorise the tune and also help with performance, especially with the likes of tempo, expression and execution. So if you have found today's lesson useful, please don't forget to give it a like, a share and a comment, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, please give me a follow on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, where the handles are at the wee Pied Piper. And if you'd like to get in touch about lessons or anything else for that matter, my website is www.theweepiedpiper.co.uk.